This is April Fayetta. This video will show you how to add your screencast video to your YouTube channel. So if you have a Gmail, one of the apps that you do have, people don't realize is they have a YouTube channel and it's located in your apps. So once you find your YouTube channel, go ahead and click on the plus sign on the camera. I use QuickTime Player on my Mac to create my videos because it's free and then it's really easy to upload to my channel. Click on the camera, click on upload video. As you can see to the right, I save my QuickTime on my desktop. Once this pops up, you can go ahead and drag and drop your video into the YouTube area. And whatever you title it to the right, that's what it will title it here. Then you have to include a description about your video. And here's your video link. Click on next. This is for the public. Publish. And then go ahead and close it, and that is how you upload your video or your screencast to YouTube. Sometimes it takes a little while, but once it does process, it will give you a link. It's 95% processed right now. Let's see if it gives, oh, and you could also click, do you want it private? But then only the people that you email or have the right to see it, viewing rights, can see it. You can click unlisted. That means it won't go directly onto your channel. It won't be as easy to find, but as long as people have the link, they can watch it, or you can make it public. Okay, so mine is published. And then once it's published, you could go ahead and click on it. And it gives you right here the details to the video link. And you could go ahead and copy that. And there you go. Your screencast is on YouTube.